हम पढ़ेंगे ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन का चैप्टर कुछ बचा हुआ है जो कि 4.5 है और 4.6 और 4.7 है. Okay, so open your books. Okay, this is your book and open this chapter, multiplication chapter 4. Okay, so in the last class I have finished up to chapter up to exercise 4.5, no 4.4. Okay, and today I will start this 4.5. Okay, so let us start, and here we have to multiply. Okay, multiplication by 3-digit multiplier. Okay, so first question is question number A, and here the numbers are 236 multiplied by 114. Okay, so we have to multiply this. So how will we multiply? First multiply 4, that is 236 with 4. Okay, so 6 4 ja 24. Okay, 6 4 ja 24. Then write 4 here and then carry 2 here. Then 4 3 are 12, and 12 plus 2 will be 14. Then carry 1. Then 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay, so when you multiply, here it is 236 into 4, and see that this is the multiplier. Okay, this number is the multiplier and this is the multiplicand. Okay, and in this multiplier, this is 114 and 4 is at the units place. So when you multiply 236 by 114, you will get this. Okay, actually you can understand like this: 236 into 114. Okay, and then you can write here 236 into, if you expand this, it will be 100 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, then this into this will be 23600, that is 23,600, and this into this will be 0 only, and this into this will be equal to this number, that is 944. Okay, so here actually you will write this as how, that is 2360 here and then 944, and then you will add all these, then you will get the answer. So this is what here we will do. So here I have already multiplied this with this 4. Now you will multiply 236 with 10. So what will you get here? This, you will get this 2360 here. That is 2360. Here 6 1 ja 6, here 3 1 ja 3, here 2 1 ja 2 here, and because first you will multiply 236 by 1, so you will get this, and then because 1 is at the tens place, that is why here there will be 0. And next is here this number, that is this into 236 into 1. So again 236 into 1 will be 236, but this one is at the hundreds place, so here it will be 2 zeros, that is 2 zeros are there, that is this number, then 6, then 2, and then here it is 3. So this is 3 and then 2. So now you will add all these numbers and then you will get the answer. And when we multiply, then we don't write these zeros. We omit these zeros. ये zero को हम लोग लिखते नहीं हैं, but here because you are learning in this class, so you have to understand that why do we write these zeros here. Okay, but when you grow up and you will go to the higher classes, then we don't write these zeros. Okay, we just omit it, and then it is understood that here these blank spaces as the zeros. Okay. So now here 4 plus 0 it is 4, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So this is the process of multiplication of these numbers. Okay. Now question number B. Question number B is here 447 into 163. 447 into 163. Now here again this is the multiplier and this is the multiplicand. Then I will multiply only this with 3, this with 6 and this with 1, and then I will put the zeros according to the places. Okay. So 7 3 are 21. So 2 is carried here. 3 4 are 12 plus 2 is 14. Then 1 is carried. Then 3 4 are 12 plus 1 will be 13. Okay. Now these numbers will not be useful now. Okay. Just remove this number. Now we will multiply 447 with 6. Okay. So 6 7 are 42. Then write here 2. Okay. And then carry 4 here. Okay. 6 7 are 42. Then carry 4 and 6 4 are 24 and 24 plus 4 will be 28. Then write here 8 and then carry 2 here. 6 4 are 24 plus 2 will be 26. And then 7 1 are 7 here and 4 1 are 4 and 4 1 are 4. Okay. Now see here that I have left this place and here 2 places here. Actually here because this 6 is at the tens place, so there should be a 0 here, and 1 is at the hundreds place, so there will be here 2 zeros. Okay. Now add this. So answer is 72,861. Okay. So this is the answer. Then now I will solve the question number D. Question number D. In this, the multiplicand is of 4-digit number 9,632, and other number is 155. Okay, then multiply again similarly. Okay, you must remember this step. Okay, and now 5 3 are 10, then 0, carry 1 here. 5 3 15 plus 1 16. Then again carry 1, 6 are 30 plus 1 will be 31. Then carry 3, 9 5 are 45. 45 plus 3 will be 48. Now again you will multiply this with 5, so you will get the same number. So just copy this number here, 0, 6, 1, 8 and 4, and put here 0 because 5 is at the, this 5 is at the tens place. Then next is this into 1 will be 9632, that is right here 3 zeros here, 1 2 3 because 1 is at the hundreds place, and other number will be here 2 1 are 2, 3 1 are 3, 6 1 are 6 and 9 1 are 9. Then add all these numbers. So you have here 0 0 0, 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Then carry 1 here, 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 5 13, 14 plus 3 is 16, and then carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, and 6 plus 5 is 11 here, and 9 plus 1 here 10. So the answer is this 1 lakh. It is 1 crore 1,61,766. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So in this way you will multiply the other questions, question number C, E and F. Okay. And all these questions are your homework. And now question number 2. This is similar to question number 1. We have to multiply. There are 2 questions in this. Question number 2. Here the question number A is 856. And other number is 756. Now multiply this. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Then write here 6. then carry 3, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 3 will be 33, then again carry 3, then 8 6 is 48, 48 plus 3 will be 51, then right here 51, now 6 5 5 6 is 30, then right here 0, and then carry 3, 5 5 is 25 plus 3 will be 28, and then carry 2, 8 5 is 40 plus 2 will be 42, then 7 6 is 42, that is right 2 here, then carry 4, 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 4 will be 39, then write 9 here, and then carry 3, 7 8 is 56, plus 3 will be 56, plus 3 will be 59, so, and right here double zeros, and here 1 zeros, then add. It will be 6, 3, okay, this is the answer. Yes, okay, this is the answer. So this is the question number 2, okay, question number A, and you will do the question number B yourself. Now question number 3. Now question number 3. Okay, question number 3. In this, again we have to multiply, but here you have the multiplicand is of 4 digit and the multiplier is of 3 digit. Okay, so the process is same. So it is I will do question number B. 7,968. 7,968. The first, that is multiplicand, and the multiplier is 562. Then multiply this number. Okay, this is the question number 3B, and then I will also write. Okay, now solve this question first. Then multiply this number. Now again same process here. First multiply this number with 2. So here 2 8 like this. Okay, when you multiply this number with 2, you will get this. Okay, 8 3 is 16. Then carry 1. So 1 will be here. Write here 1. So 6 3 is 12 plus 1 will be 13. Then write 3. Then carry again 1 here. Then 9 3 is 18. Plus 1 will be 19. Then carry 1 here again. 1. Then 7 3 is 14 plus 1 15. Okay. Now these carried numbers will not be useful for the next step. Okay. So here is this number. Now we will multiply this 6 with other numbers. So right here, because 6 is at the tens place, so write here 0, and then 6 8 is okay, this is the number. Okay, when you multiply 6 8 is 48. Okay, 48 is there. Then write 8 here. 8 at this place. Then 4 will be carried here. Then 6 6 is 36, and 36 plus 4 will be 36 plus 4 will be here 40. Then write here 0, and then carry here again 4, and 6 9 is 54, and 54 plus 4 is equal to 58. So then write here 8, and then carry 5 at this place. Then 6 7 is 42. 42 plus 5 will be 47. So this is the step. Now again these carried numbers will not be useful for the next step. Okay, so it is this. Now multiply 5 with this multiplicand. Okay. You have double zeros here. So this is the number. Okay. Multiply 5 8 is 40. Then write here 0. Then carry 4. Okay. Here carry 4 here. then 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 will be 34 here, then write 3 and then carry 3 here, and 5 9 are 45 plus 3, 45 plus 3 will be 48, then write here 8, then carry 4, and 7 5 are 45 plus 4, 45 plus 4 will be 40. 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 4 will be 39, okay. So now add all these numbers. So it is 6 here, 8 plus 3, okay, so this is the answer of this question. 44 lakh 78,016. 44 lakh 78,016 is the answer of this question. Okay, so this is the question number 3. Now question number 4. And in this question, the question says that find the products by using 2 steps only. है ना, यहाँ पर आपको क्वेश्चन को सिर्फ 2 स्टेप में करना है. जैसे यहाँ पर क्या है कि यहाँ पर जो ये मल्टीप्लायर है, here you have 3 digits, so here you will have 3 steps here, okay. But in this we have to do only in 2 steps. I will show you how. So the question is question number A, 7,294, and the other number is here 305. Now see that here, because in this multiplier the 10th digit is 0, so if you multiply this with 0 then you will get 0 only. That is why you can do this question in 2 steps only. So write again 5 here, and then first multiply this with this and this with this, and just leave the zeros here. So it should be this here, and then now write here this number, because if you multiply this 0 with this you will get 0 only. So directly write multiply this with 3. So here it is the at the hundreds place, so write here double zeros and then multiply 3 with this number. So now see, this is the answer. This is here 22,24,670 here. Okay, so this is the only in the 2 steps. Here in the multiplier, it is a 3-digit number, but because this is 0, that is why we can omit this and we can directly write. We can directly multiply this 3 with this, and then we will get the answer. Okay, so this is the 2-step method only. So next is number 5. Change the order of the multiplicants and multipliers to find the products. So here we have to change the order of the multiplicants and the multipliers. It is 8,000 into 550. So here this is the multiplicant and this is the multiplier. So we can interchange. First you can multiply this with this, and then next you can multiply this number with this number. So how will you multiply here? C to multiply, see here, 8 into 55. Okay, when you multiply 8 and 55 you will get some number. Okay, multiply 55 and 8. So 8 5 here. So this number, okay, that is this number into this number equal to how much you will get? 440, and then write here 3 zeros and then 1 0 here. So 1 2 3 and this. So you have here 3 plus 1 4 zeros, then put here 4 zeros. So you will get the answer. Next is if you do 550 into 8,000. Okay, in that case also again 55 into 8 will be 440, and here again you have 1 2 3 4 4 zeros, then put here 1 2 3 4 zeros. So this is the answer of this question. So if you change the order of the multiplicand and the multipliers, the answer will remain the same. Okay, this is the property of the multiplication. So this is the answer of this. So this exercise is finished. Now exercise 4.6. Okay. So in this exercise we have to multiply by using the lattice multiplication. Okay, lattice multiplication is a method of multiplication. I will explain you what is the lattice multiplication. So this is exercise 4.6, and in this learn the lattice multiplication. Okay, so lattice multiplication, first question here, question number A. We have to multiply 87 into 35. Okay, now how will we use the lattice multiplication? Because this is a two-digit number and this is also a two-digit number, so you will make a table. Okay, that is 2 by 2 table, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Rows and columns are, what is row? Row means Qatar and column means column. So here you will write the number, like here write 8 and here 7 and write here 3 and this is 5. Okay, that is 87 is here, so write 87 here and 3 5 here, and also draw the diagonals like this. Now multiply this. Okay, 8 3 are 24. Okay, 8 3 are 24. Then write 4 here and 2 here. 4 and here 2. Then 7 3 are 21. So write here 1 and 2 here. Similarly 8 5 are 40. So write here 0 and then 4. Then 5 7 are 35. Then write 5 and here 3. Okay. So here, so this is I written now. Now here write this 5. Okay. That is here write 5 because this in this you have 5. Then add this number. Okay. See that this here between this line and this line you have these numbers 1, 3 and 0. Then add here 1 plus 3 plus 0. Then how much you will get? 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 0 will be 4. Now add the number between this line and this line. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 2. It will be 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So right here in this here write 0 and then carry 1 to this place. Okay, carry 1 to this place. Now here 2 plus 1 will be 3. So from this you will get 3 here. So the answer will be here. That is therefore the answer is 87 into 35 equal to 3045. Okay, this is the method of multiplication by using the lattice multiplication. Okay, so now I will do one more question in this question number C. Question number C again by using the multiplication, lattice multiplication, 96 into 36. Okay, this is the question. Then again make this table, 2 rows and 2 columns. And write here 9 and here 6, here 3 and 6 here. Then 9 3 are 27, 6 3 are 18, then write 8 1 here, then 9 6 are 54, then 5 54 here, then 4 and then 5, and 6 6 are 36, then 6 is here and 3 is here. Now the ones place it will be 6 here, that is in the when you multiply these two numbers, the ones place it will be 6. Then next is 8 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15, then write here 5 and then carry 1 to this place. Okay, 1 to this place. Now 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 1 13, and 13 plus 1 will be 14. So 14 again, then right here 4. Write 4 here, and then again carry 1, so 1 here, then 2 plus 1 will be here, so 3. So the answer will be 96 into 36 is equal to 3456 is the answer. So this is the method of lattice multiplication. Now in the question number 2, we have to multiply the given number by using the lattice multiplication as well as by the standard or the general method. So let us solve one question from this. Question number 2. So first multiply directly, that is general method here, 75 into 56, and then by using the lattice. So the answer is 4200. Now multiply this with the lattice multiplication method here. So now multiply 75 and 56 here. So right here 75 and here 56. So now 7 5 is 35. Then here 5 and here 3. 5 5 is 25. Then 5, 2, 7 6 is 42. Then 2 here and 4 here and 6 5 is 30. So 0 and 3. Then here it will be 0 and then add here 5 plus 3. 8 plus 2 will be 10. So here it will be again 0 and carry 1 to this place. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So the next number is 2, then carry again 1. So now 3 plus 1 will be here 4. Okay. So the answer is again see that 75 into 56 equal to 4200. Okay. So here when you multiply by the general method, the answer is 4200, and by this lattice method also we have got the same answer, that is 4200. So both answers are correct and both answers are equal here. Okay. So now question number B also I will solve in this. So in question number B, 2B, first multiply by the general method, 78 into 63. So the answer is 4914. Yes. Now multiply the same number with by using the lattice multiplication method. Okay. So here I will use the same table here. You just erase the numbers and then fill the new numbers. Now see here, first number is 78 and right here 7, 8, and the other number is 63 and right here 6 and 3. Then 7 6 are 42, then write 2 here and then 4, 8 6 are 48, then this 7 3 are 21 and write this 8 3 are 24 and write 4 and 2 here. Okay. Now the first number is here 4. Then add these two numbers. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 will be 11. Then write here 1 and carry 1 to this place. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9 and here is 4. So the answer is C, that this number and this number both are equal. So 78 into 63 equal to 4914 is the answer of this question. Okay, so I have two questions, so you will solve two questions. Okay, homework. So this exercise is over. Now the exercise 4.7. Okay, exercise 4.7. Okay, so now exercise 4.7. In this you have some word problems. So in the first question, read the question from your book. Okay, the question is 216 bottles of water can be packed in a cartoon box. Okay, 216 bottles of water. तो इसमें क्या है कि पानी का बोतल है और जिसका नंबर कितना है 216. ओके, दैट इज वाटर बॉटल्स और वी हैव अ टोटल नंबर ऑफ वाटर बॉटल्स इज 216. ओके, मतलब एक कार्टून बॉक्स में हम लोग 216 पानी की बोतल को पैक कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो हाउ मेनी बॉटल्स कैन बी कंटेन्ड इन 8 सच बॉक्सेस. तो अगर इस तरह के कार्टून बॉक्स होंगे 8 बॉक्सेस, है ना, अगर हमारे पास 8 बॉक्सेस हैं तो उस 8 बॉक्सेस में हम लोग कितने सारे पानी के बॉटल को रख सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. सो इन दिस एक्चुअली वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो फर्स्ट राइट द स्टेटमेंट. द स्टेटमेंट विल बी द statement is here number of water bottles that can be packed in a cartoon box equal to 216. Okay, and next number of such cartoon box equal to 8. Okay, so first multiply. Okay, then you will write the statement. Okay, so this is here multiplied. So now here we will write that hence the total number of water bottles that can be packed in 8 such boxes equal to 1728. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, so now question number 2. In this question number 2, the question is, it takes an hour for a bike manufacturing company to assemble 215 bikes. Okay, it takes an hour for a bike manufacturing company to assemble 215 bikes. How many bikes can the company assemble in 56 hours? मतलब क्या है कि इस क्वेश्चन में एक कंपनी है जो कि बनाती है मोटरसाइकिल, है ना, मोटरसाइकिल देखा होगा. ठीक है, तो वो जो मोटरसाइकिल कंपनी है वो क्या करती है, वो 1 घंटा में 215 बाइक्स बना लेती है, 1 घंटे में 215 बाइक्स बना लेती है, तो वही कंपनी 56 आवर्स में कितने बाइक्स को बना सकता है? ओके, हाउ मैनी बाइक्स कैन दैट कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चर इन 56 आवर्स? ओके, तो यहाँ पर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So the question number 2 is, first write here number of bikes. Number of bikes that can be in 1 hour equal to 1 hour equal to how much? 215 bikes. Okay, so number of bikes in 56 hours equal to 215 into 56. So you will multiply here this number. So I will multiply this here. Okay, 56, and you will show this multiplication in the answer. Okay. One 12,040. So here the answer will be 12,040 bikes. Okay. Answer of this question. Okay, this is correct. So here you will write like this: the number of bikes that can be manufactured in 1 hour equal to 215. Then the number of bikes that can be manufactured in 56 hours equal to 215 into 56. That is 12,040 bikes. Okay. So this is the answer. Now I will solve the question number 6 and 7. Okay, and you will solve the question number 3, 4 and 5. That is your homework. And I will solve question number 6. So see. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6. In this, if the largest 4-digit number is multiplied by the largest 3-digit number, what would be the product? ना यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है कि एक लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर है और उसको एक लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर, व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर? लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर क्या होता है? द लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर क्या होता है? 9,999. This is the largest 4-digit number. और फिर उसके बाद है लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर. लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर ये क्या होता है? 9,999. Okay, this is the largest 3-digit number. और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स. ठीक है, तो मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं इसको. ओके, इसमें सिर्फ करना क्या है? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर विथ 9. ठीक है, बाकी तो फिर वैसे ही हो जाएगा. ओके, 9 9 जा 81. ओके, देन राइट हियर 1, देन कैरी 8 हियर, देन अगेन 9 9 जा 81 प्लस 1, 81 प्लस 8 कितना हो जाएगा? 89. ओके, तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 89, देन अगेन कैरी 8, देन अगेन 9 9 जा 81 प्लस 8 विल बी अगेन 89. तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 9 और यहाँ पर जाएगा अगेन 8 कैरी. सो अगेन 9 9 जा 81 प्लस 8 विल बी 89 यहाँ लिख दिया इसने। ओके, अब क्या करना है, सो दिस इज द नंबर। नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है 9 जो है वो टेंस प्लेस पर है, तो बाकी क्या होगा 9 into this will be the same number. Okay, just put here 0 and then write 9 here it is 1 9 9 9 and 8. Okay, the next one will be here 0 0 and again here the same number 1 9 9 and 9 and 8. Now add all these numbers, then you get the answer. 9 plus 1 10, then here 0, then carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 1 will be 20, then carry 2, 39 and carry 2 again. So this is the answer of this question. 99 lakh 89,001 is the product of these two numbers. Okay, so here see that here you don't have to multiply this multiplicand by 9 all the time, because we have already multiplied 9 with this number, है ना। इसको 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और आपको ये नंबर मिल गया। अगर हम फिर से इस 9 को इससे करेंगे तो यही नंबर मिलने वाला है, तो उसको खाली यहाँ पर लिखना है और यहाँ पर एक जीरो लगाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि 9 जो है वो टेंस प्लेस पर है। ठीक है, और फिर उसके बाद इस 9 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फिर वही नंबर आएगा, दैट इज 89,991। तो यहाँ पर लिख दिया उसको और फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पर डबल जीरो लगाया, क्यों, बिकॉज 9 इज एट द दिस 9 इज एट द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस। ठीक है, सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। समझ में आ रहा होगा? ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 नाउ, how many hours are there in the month of May? How many hours are there in the month of May? मतलब मई मतलब मई का जो महीना होता है, okay, that is the 5th month of the year. Okay, May is the 5th month of the year और हमको बताना है कि इस मंथ में कितने घंटे होते हैं। ठीक है, इस मंथ में कितने घंटे होते हैं। Okay, so how will you find the number of hours in the May of month? तो पहले पता करना पड़ेगा कि जो मई का महीना होता है उसमें कितने दिन होते हैं। क्या याद है, मई के महीने में कितना दिन होता है? Can you recall the answer? So the number of days in May is equal to 31. Okay, मई में कितना दिन होता है? 31 days होता है। So now you can find the answer. So here first write the number of days. Okay, first we write the number of days in the month of May. The number of days. Okay, number of days in month of May equal to 31. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज, अब ये करना पड़ेगा कि एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं। डू यू रिमेंबर दैट कि हाउ मेनी आवर्स आर देयर इन 24 इन वन डे, हाउ मेनी आवर्स आर देयर इन वन डे। सो द नंबर of hours in, okay, so I was explaining you this, that in this question number 7 how many number of hours are there in the month of May. Okay, तो पहले तो क्या करना पड़ेगा कि हमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि मई के महीने में कितना दिन होता है। तो here the number of days in month of May is 31। ठीक है, ये होता है। और उसके बाद अब ये पता होना चाहिए कि एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं, दैट इज हाउ मैनी आवर्स आर देयर इन वन डे। ठीक है, तो ये भी याद होना चाहिए, अगर याद नहीं है तो याद कर लो। ओके, द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स इन वन डे इक्वल टू 24। ठीक है, एक्चुअली इट इज हियर नंबर ऑफ आवर्स, सो हियर इज 24 आवर्स, एक्चुअली दिस इज 31 days 24 आवर्स। ठीक है, तो अब हमको ये बताना है कि पूरे मई के महीने में कितने घंटे होते हैं। ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ मेनी आवर्स आर देयर इन द मे ऑफ मंथ। सो हियर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ आवर्स इन द month of May equal to 31 multiplied by 24. Okay, 31 multiplied by 24. Now you will show this multiplication in the answer itself. So 31 into 24. So the answer is 744 hours. So here you write 744 hours. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, so now this exercise, okay, this exercise or this chapter is finished. Okay, this chapter is finished, and I have left many questions. Okay, so you will solve all those questions yourself. That is your homework. Okay, and in this exercise also I have left 3 questions. I did 4 questions. So okay, so now I will wind up this class. Okay, and in the next class I will start this next exercise, next chapter, that is division. Okay, so now so that's all here. Okay, and thank you for watching.